Sekuphumele obala inqwaba besimame ngozibiza nge-African Casting Agent ebenzisa imuvi yocansi bengazi. Kwethulwe isizwe esibizwa ngeSouth lapha eMzansi ngokuhlangana kobaba waseNigeria nomama walapha eMzansi. Izindaba zezosonyuzo zifundela uSiphiwe Ntombela esesitezi sawubona mbukeli. Sekuphumele obala inqwaba yabesimame abagilwa umlisa Mumbo ozibiza nge-African Casting Agency obenzisa imuvi yocansi bengazi. Bavela njengoba sekuphumele umntwana oneminyaka ewu-20 uLerato Mulwengi ogilwe lomlisa obethi umzamela inkundla yokumodela. Baqala ngokwenza inhlolokhono yenkulumo mpendulwane yadlulela yaya ocansini yize bebonakala bejabule bobabili. Owesimame uvezile ukuthi wayecabanga ukuthi ngeke ayiposte ezinkundleni zokuxhumana le video yenkonzo yasekamerweni.
When he has been a victim of a fake modeling scam, I was exploited and publicity humiliated in a manner I did not concern. I did not sign any contract and I was taken advantage of under false pretenses. I'm currently exploring the available legal options to take against the individual involved and the perpetrated agency.
Instead of waiting 6 months, you could get a job like next week. Would you like that?
Yeah.
So can you do something for me if I do that for you?
Yeah, what do you want?
Okay. For me to do that for you, I want you to have sex with me first.
Okay.
Yes? You don't need to think about it more? You're sure?
Yeah.
You're very sure. I love that.
Niyaxwayisa ukuba niqaphele lomlisa usebenzisa amaqhinga ukuze alale nawe. Uthi uyayithokozela inhlolokhono abenayo nawe. Uzothatha izinyanga eziyisithupha ukuze usebenze, kodwa uma ungamncela isitho sakhe sangasese kuzothatha amasonto amabili ukuthola umsebenzi. Osisi bavume kanjalo bese kunyuka igazi kulandele ekuphenyaneni ishoba. Lembukiso yalomlisa idlala ku-African Casting XXX. Ungaya uyozibukela ukuthi akekho yini owakho ngoba leya nkundla inamavidiyo ocansi alinganisela ku-1000 kuya ngaphezulu. Uthathe ihlandla lesithupha umengameli wase-Uganda oneminyaka ewu-86 uMr Yoweri Museveni, lo mholi osebuse ngaphazanyiswa iminyaka ewu-40 e-Uganda. Ikhomishane yokhetho imemezele ukuthi uMuseveni uthole amavoti angango-72% ngolesine. Kuyilapho imbangi yakhe eyinhloko engumculi owaphenduka usopolitiki uBobby Wine uthole amavoti angango-25%. uWayne oneminyaka ewu-43 umholi we-National Unity Platform uyayiphikisa yonke le mphumela uthi ingamanga izodala impi. Uphinde wacela ukuba kwenziwe ucwaningo mabhuku okuzimele futhi kungavunywa imiphumela yalesi sinqumo emazweni omhlaba. Jacinta Zuma ubulele okufika kuleli obizwa ngoRichard Mncube umholi we-March and March movement uJacinta Zuma ubulele okufika kuleli obizwa ngoRichard Mncube icala emaphoyiseni. Uthi ufuna ukubona ukuthi izinsongo azenze ngaye zizofika phi. Uqhube wathi uzoya nase-Home Affairs ukuze ubhekwe amaphepha kaRichard ukuthi aqondile yini ukuthi abe kuleli izwe laseMzansi. Lo mlisa usongela lomholi phambu kokuba kade ehlele umbhikisho wokukhipha izingane zabokufika ezingenawo amaphepha nezibalele ezabantu abamnyama abahlala kule Ward 26 e-Eddington Primary School. Nansi lenkulumo yalomlisa ozibida ngoRichard.
And to go to somebody company or to somebody business or to somebody house and start to make your own laws, and you want people to listen at you or to listen on you what you say. Who are you? Who are you? How can you feel if somebody just came to your house and they start telling you what to do? Okay, today you have to behave like this. At your house. In your house, your own house. And you expect other people to listen to you when you are talking unnecessary thing, or when you're disrespecting people in their business and you're expecting other people to listen to you, to support your ridiculousness, your foolishness. On top of that, you are making South Africa's name to be a bad country because of your attitude, to be behaving in a professional manner. You know, that woman, a lot of people, they have been warning her. She must be very careful because, you know, life is very important. It seems easy when you're still alive, or whenever you see somebody's walk.
Baphumela obala ngokuhlela isizwe esisha esibiza ngeSouthera ehlelwe eMzansi. Lesizwe kuthiwa sihlanganisa ubaba waseNigeria nomama walapha eMzansi. Mabezala ingane iba yiSouthera. Omunye wabantwana abazalwe ukwehlukana kwezinhlanga uthena hayi ngoba bedelela umthetho waseSouth Africa, kodwa ukubonisa ukuthi singabantu bengahlangana uma izizwe zihlangana zikhipha into enhle.
My dad is Nigerian, so that basically makes me a Southerian.
Hi guys, my name is Chukwuebuka Mpumelelo McAnthony Ikekwe, and I'm from Imo State. My dad is Nigerian from Imo State. My mom is South African from the Zulu tribe. So I identify as Algerian not because of anything of ruling the state or anything, but to prove to people that we can actually stay as one. Two nations can actually come together and be able to create something beautiful. For example, I have a lot of people out there that are Algerians as well, but they don't know how to come out. You understand? And be free and embrace their culture. To be able to speak two languages fluently is something that is of a blessing. So our channel is based.
Ubelezele ngabalandeli namalunga eAction SA uXolani Khumalo ongumethuli wohlelo izokuthola eyozinikela amaphoyiseni. Uzinikela nje ngaphambi kwembiko yokuthi ufunwa ngamaphoyisa aseKatlehong ngecala elavulwa ngoDisemba ngomlisa osolwa ngokudayisa izidakamizwa owathi washawa waphinde wakhonjwa ngesibhamu ngesikhathi kuqhuba uhlelo lwezidakamizwa.
Mama phone.
Inkantolo enkulu iqalile icubungula icala lokubulawa kwaSenzomeyo leqale kabusha enkantolo ephakeme ePitoli lapho kugxilwe khona kofakazi bokuzivikela uSifiso Gwabini Zungu othi wahlukunyezwa ngamaphoyisa ngaphambi kokusayina istatement. Umbuso manje ufuna ukusebenzisa ukupheka imibuzo. Ijaji uRatha Mohenengi kulindeleke ukuthi linqume ukuthi ngabe amaphoyisa ahlobene yini nezinsolo zikaZungu zokuhlasela azibizwa yini ukuthi azofakaza. Okuyinto engathonya ukuthi ngabe istatement esiphikisayo siyamukelwa nokuthi ubufakazi bakhe buzohlolwa kanjani. Leli cala lisalokhu linempikiswano enkulu njengoba inkantolo iqhubeka nokuhlunga ama-county aphikisayo ekushushisweni okude kwamadoda ayisihlanu ngokubulawa kukaKapteni othandekayo Bafana Bafana ngo-2014.
Is referring to the evidence that the witness has testified about, right. That is on record.
Yeah.
And the state, my lord, is allowed to cross-examine on the evidence that has been tendered by the witness before this court. But now the issue in dispute now, my lord, it's now when the state wants to cross-examine on the content of a statement.
Was the content of the statement not publicized in court? Take what accused number 1 has written about me in his statement and put it into my statement or a document which I will sign, and I signed it in S. So in other words, are you with me?
Yes, I'm with you, my lord.
So there's evidence.
Yes. So, my lord, the issue that arose, it was when the state was supposed to prove the statement from the witness. Because the state now wants to get into the statement of the witness who is testifying. The procedure, my lord, is that the state has to prove the statement. That is where the problem arose, my
Okay,
lord.
fine.
Yes, that's where the problem arose. To say, if the statement has not
So
been...
you're putting an onus on the state. Are you aware of that? Are you putting an onus on the state?
My lord, let me just finish this sentence. To say, until the state is able to prove the statement, which is the procedure.
Umfundisi uDubo obonakala evidweni ephucwa iBhayibheli ephucwa wesifazane kwasitekeni uthi lo wesifazane ungenwe ngamadimoni. Lo wesifazane ukuvezile ukuthi walala naye wamephuca ubuntombi bakhe. Kanti uDube uthi ucabanga ukuthi akamazi kwakumazi lo mama kodwa akethuki vele amadimoni anjalo wakhulumisa izinto ezingekho. Yikho naseBhayibhelini wayekhona umuntu wayenamadimoni waze washawa ngamatshe.
Of Jonah.
Isahluko sokuqala nesahluko sesibili nesahluko sesithathu.
In chapters 1, 2, and 3.
Mambe. Yeah. Isiyabonga. Touch it. Thathela kumazi namanzi kucela iBhayibheli. Angmazi nakumazi nebazalwane idimoni lakhe.
It's in the Bible.
Buka idimoni lakhe lithi ngathatha umntombi bakhe angimazi mina.
Her demon said that I took her virginity. I don't even know her.
Imagine ukuthi khona la kwasiza abantu kodwa angimazi angazi futhi ngiyambona nje ehla nje phuma la ngathi hawu nangezi umuntu uzongiqonisela umbhobho wethu kanti thunywa idimoni linjalo.
And I have seen her here at the mission, and she came. Oh, what's she doing? Straightening the mic for me, and there she was taking my Bible.
Kwakwamaphumulo kwathi kuthandazela omunye esesishilo ukuthi singamakhulu amangaka sinamakhulu amangaka aphuma amakhulu amabili.
At Mapumulo, when we were praying for someone, and they said, we are legions, hundreds, 100-fold, and 200 left. And then the demon spoke and said, there's 100 left. Reverend Stegan said, now take her out. Some have left of the demons, but now let them see a counselor. Came back and was prayed for. And then the demons left and said, I am now free.
Lusaqhubeka utakulo ezweni laseMozambique njengoba bekhahlamezeke izikhukhula.
Yaman David kunzima wayibona inhlawe wayibona inhlawe wayibona emathi la ambukala nathi kala emathi la udla mphungu tika lo ene riski ngaba ne kazijeko awofika babanna bazeba banna bodena ngana abakwata banna mapula
Ziyaguqa lapha izindaba ehambe phambili namhlanje siyakuthembisa sobuya osukeni lakusasa nezinye indaba ehambe phambili ungakhohlwa ukulike ucomment ukushare inkosi ayithele Musa amen.